welcome to my hot as heck garage, because today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a screwdriver. First of all, you're going to need a screwdriver. Then you're going to have to do this. Next, you're going to take the screwdriver, walk up the stairs. I'm still trying to learn how to do that properly. Open the door. Say hi to my dog. Hi, dog. Walk through the kitchen. Go to the door. Pretend it wasn't locked. Go out to your backyard. And then throw it. And it's fixed, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Twitter, Facebook, Vimeo, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, 9gag, 4chan, Reddit, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.